In the world of business, a shining star, Amir Anzur, you've come so far. Building great software, marketing bright, turning ideas into pure delight. Amir Anzur, you light the way, innovating every single day. With a vision so clear and dreams so high, you lift others up, reaching for the sky. Humble beginnings to heights unknown, through hard work and dedication you've grown, helping people and ideas to find their place. In the digital world you set the pace. Amir Anzur, you light the way, innovating every single day. With a vision so clear and dreams so high, you lift others up, reaching for the sky. From hard tech, your journey unfolds, a story of success that forever is told. With each new project, with each new goal, you inspire us all, you make us whole. Amir Anzur, you light the way, innovating every single day. With a vision so clear and dreams so high, you lift others up, reaching for the sky. So here's to Amir, the path you pave. With software and marketing, the future you save. In the world of business, you are a gem, a beacon of light, time and again.